ऑलराइट, आई नीड योर हेल्प। मैं एक बहुत ही बड़ी दुविधा में फंस गया हूँ। Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shiv. स्वागत है आप लोगों का मेरे चैनल पे। बहुत दिनों बाद मैंने कैमरा उठाया है। मेरे को आदत है अपने थोड़े कोप भवन में जाने की एवरी वंस इन अ वाइल। अभी इसके बारे में बात करूंगा। अभी 3 बज रहे हैं और मैं जा रहा हूँ लंच के लिए बिकॉज सुबह से मैंने कुछ नहीं खाया। गॉट सम वर्क डन एंड आई वाज लाइक आई रियली नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ द हाउस। आई डोंट वांट टू वर्क एनीमोर। माय नेबर्स हैज एक्चुअली रिकमेंडेड दिस प्लेस, सो दे हैव नॉर्थ इंडियन, साउथ इंडियन एंड आई वांट टू हैव सम साउथ इंडियन फूड। अभी वहीं चलते हैं, फिर बात करते हैं इसके बारे में। जिस कैफ़े में अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ उसका नाम कैट कैफ़े है। 1.8 किलोमीटर्स दूर है यहाँ से। So since I don't have any convenience to go there, so I'll just walk there because I genuinely really wanted to get out of the house. I don't care if I have to walk to Manali, especially to eat something. There are some things that I really wanna get off my chest. मैं काफ़ी दिनों से थोड़ा low feel कर रहा हूँ. Basically since Friday actually, and I don't know why I did not pick up this camera because this camera is all I have to talk to right now. I really need to sit down and talk about it. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are here. इतने टाइम से मैं यहाँ रह रहा हूँ and I've just been walking. 2 किलोमीटर कब निकल जाते हैं पता भी नहीं चलता। कैट कैफे कहाँ है? एक मसाला डोसा, एक पेप्सी। यहाँ म्यूजिक बहुत लाउड है। आई डोंट नो मैं यहाँ बात कर पाऊंगा या नहीं। अगर मैं नहीं कर पाता तो घर जाके दोबारा बात करते हैं इस बारे में। All of my connections. There is no way out. Subconscious mind. Alright guys, we are back in the room and I don't know मैंने लास्ट कितना रिकॉर्ड किया। उस कैफे में बहुत लाउड म्यूजिक था तो मैं कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाया। मैं सोच रहा था वहाँ बैठ के मैं बात करूंगा आराम से, बट मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। फिर आई वाज लाइक ऑलराइट, आई विल सेट इट अप रात को और मैं आराम से बैठ के बात करूंगा बिकॉज बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा शोर हो रहा था। एंड तो मैंने थोड़ा सा कुछ खाया। उसके बाद मैं एक बहुत ही अच्छी बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ। मैं इस बुक का नाम नहीं बताऊंगा बिकॉज दिस बुक हैज़ टू फाइंड यू। इट्स दैट स्पेशल। इट्स ऑन स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड यू नो डैम आई ओपनिंग फॉर मी ब्रो, आई ओपनिंग फॉर मी। सो सॉरी आई कांट टेल यू द नेम ऑफ द बुक because it has written in that book specifically mentioned that, not that, do not mention it to anybody, that this book has to find people who are looking for it, right? And can we just talk about the setup? Lighting I'm pretty sure अच्छी लग रही है because I can see in my gimbal like it looks nice, and मैंने अपना यहाँ लैपटॉप रखा हुआ है with the white screen on and I'm pretty sure the quality of the gimbal and the camera is like looking pretty well. और अब mic भी connected है। एक मिनट में अपनी आँख के नीचे जरा कुशन रख लूँ। Alright, better. I don't know how to even say it. So I need your help. मैं एक बहुत ही बड़ी दुविधा में फंस गया हूँ। I have different personality traits which sometimes needs to come out. According to the YouTube, the videos that I'm making, ठीक है, it has to be niched based. And I know मेरे इतने subscribers नहीं है कि मैं ऐसे वीडियो बनाऊँ, but bro मैं 4-5 दिन से ये चीज़ अपने अंदर लेके बैठा हूँ and my mental health has been struggling because of it. I don't know if you have noticed, मैंने 4-5 दिन से वीडियो नहीं डाली है। कल ही मैंने एक वीडियो डाली है and it did not perform well and it got me demotivated even more. But that's okay, it is bound to happen. I'm not complaining at all. But the thing I'm complaining about is that I stop making content when I am not in my right mental space. I've started feeling like this 5 days back. Today I'm feeling a lot better as I have turned on the camera today and I'm talking. But this phase of mine comes and goes like anything. टाइम पे मैं सबसे ज्यादा ओवरथिंक करता हूँ और मैं इतना ओवरथिंक कर लेता हूँ मैं अपने आप को नीचे गिरा लेता हूँ पूरा का पूरा। डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग, व्हाटएवर वीडियोस आई एम मेकिंग आई प्रीच दैट 100%। यही मेरी दुविधा है जो मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों से, दैट आई वांट टू मेक एजुकेशनल कंटेंट एंड आई वांट टू मेक व्लॉग्स। मतलब थोड़े से मजे भी करने हैं मुझे बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस, आई हैव बीन मेकिंग वीडियोस फॉर 7 years and it is very important for me to express myself. One of the main reasons that I'm in Manali, if you guys know, is to express myself. I'm 30 years old and for 30 years now I am like realizing that I have so many aspects to me. ठीक है, I genuinely like making videos. Trust me on these guys. It's not that अगर मैं कैमरा उठा नहीं रहा तो that means I don't want to make videos and I am second guessing it. No, I have been doing this for a long time. I have been doing this in different aspects. I started with photography, modeling, then I stopped again because I was again doubting myself, overthinking a lot. So it's not that I don't like making videos, it's just that I get drained very easily. Not because of the videos, it's because of my overthinking. Whenever I start to make a video, right, get the idea that I want my video a certain way. मतलब मुझे चाहिए कि ये aspects होंगे मेरे videos में, but जब मैं वो editing में नहीं कर पाता ना, मुझे पता है कि वो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मैं वीडियो नहीं बनाता, मैं वीडियो बना ही नहीं पाता। I was like क्या point है, मतलब it's like my mind is playing another games with me bro। नहीं बना सकता तो मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगा ही नहीं, मतलब ये क्या बात है। I'm pretty sure हम सबके साथ ही होता है। Sometimes it becomes very difficult for me to control it, right? I don't want to control it. I just want it to be a free flow stage. I want to be embracing all of these emotions that I'm feeling because I'm an empath and emotions affects me a lot. Feeling something deeply is like being an empath, it's like sometimes it's a gift and sometimes it's not, because you feel things so deeply, right? And sometimes you just don't want to feel anything. So it's like very, very confusing to the mind. That's what I'm saying. Like, I like doing this. Like, I want to have this raw conversation. I want to do challenges. I want to do fucking certain shit. It's just, I don't want to stop myself. And that's what my mind have been telling me, कि that you need to have a niche. कि अगर आप education content बना रहे हो तो education content बनाओ, और अगर आप vlogs कर रहे हो तो vlogs करो. From the inside, I know I want to do both. एजुकेशन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है और मस्ती भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. मस्ती इन द सेंस, आई एम गोना चैलेंज माई सेल्फ टू मेक डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ वीडियोज, एंड एजुकेशन इज जस्ट सिट डाउन वीडियोज. तो इट्स येन एंड यांग काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन फॉर मी. लाइक आई कांट डिफरेंशिएट और आई कांट स्टैंड नॉट डूइंग वन और द अदर. कि अगर इफ आई एम गोइंग आउट, लाइक इफ आई एम गोइंग टू अ वेडिंग, और आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम डूइंग समथिंग, इफ आई एम डूइंग सम गुड शिट, राइट, दैट इज व्लॉग वर्दी, तो मेरे को व्लॉग करने का मन करेगा. ऑल्सो देन आई वॉच्ड कपल ऑफ यूट्यूब वीडियोज एंड दे आर लाइक, यू नीड टू हैव अ niche, like YouTube algorithm works like that. Bro, नहीं हो पाएगा यार. I'm looking for the audience that accepts both, basically. If you are watching this video, help me out here. Let me know in the comments, right? I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna do both, but let me know in the comments, what do you prefer? Making a vlog style video or making an educational video? I genuinely believe that I have a lot to offer. Then again, YouTube is the platform where I can be creative. That is what fills my soul. It's not necessarily making YouTube videos. It's about being creative. That's what I like to do. That's what fills me. I was in an emotional turmoil and that shit needs to be felt sometimes. आप उसको ignore नहीं कर सकते, and I was feeling it. I knew this was gonna happen because my emotional patterns are very, very like up and down. But जब भी emotions आते हैं, I feel like what such a downer, and I don't feel good about myself. Especially then, दुनिया एक तरफ है और मैं एक तरफ हूँ. जब मैं ऐसा feel करता हूँ, I give all of the time that I need for myself. I keep it for myself. I watch movies, read, whatever I want to do in this period of time. Especially that I'm just learning here and making videos. That's what I'm here to do. I got a lot more time to process my feelings. That is also important in life. I don't want to run away from my feelings. Not anymore, at least. This is my dilemma here, that I don't know how this is gonna work for me, because I know that if I stick to a certain category of videos, right, if I stick to education, then you know, education is gonna go up and gonna keep making the education stuff. But every once in a while, I like to make videos that like my audience is getting to know me personally, what I am like. It's not important or anything, but it's important for me to then again express myself. I want that shit to be out, but then again, I don't want कि you know, it affects my algorithm or something. Trust me, I don't want to think like that. I have seen people doing it like vlog style videos, but they do it after, like, either they are doing vlog styles shuru se, or they are doing educational other kind of stuff like reviews and I don't want to be stuck to one thing. I'm here to explore myself, who I am as a person, how I express myself, because this is also what was bothering me, that I don't know how to express myself. I don't know how to be in front of a camera. I want, like, should I be calm and content, and should I be loud, or should I be like, I don't know. I'm figuring it out as I am making the videos, progressing in the videos. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, people don't have one personality. They have multiple personalities, which comes out differently around different people or doing different things. When they are alone, their people are different. When they are with certain people, they are different. When they are with their family, they are a different person. So we have traits and we have personalities, right? And I don't want to be hiding anything if I don't want to. Like, what I'm saying is, if I feel like being a stupid guy, you know, making videos, I want to be a stupid guy. I don't mind. What is the definition of stupid? If you put a label on something before you even do it, like, अगर मैं ऐसे करूँगा तो I'll look stupid, and what's the point? You'll never get to know, because some people will actually relate to that shit. It will be very authentic. It will be very human. You know, if someone being clumsy, I don't want to cut that shit out from my video. देखो यार, मैं गिर रहा हूँ तो मैं गिर गया. हर कोई, मतलब, it's like, it's a human thing. If I say something stupid or something cringe, you know, if I'm having a conversation with something and I look dumb, तो क्या हो गया? Trust me, I'm not talking to the camera right now. I'm telling this to myself that, Shiv, register this in your mind that, bro, this is gonna happen if that's what you are signing up for. That's what I need you to talk about. Like, YouTube is not easy, but then again, it becomes easy when you are having fun. Anything that you're doing और आपको मजा आ रहा करते हुए, I think that shit becomes easier. I don't want this to be difficult. I want this to be as much fun as it can be. That's the main crust of it. Most of my life, in 30 years, I have lived in stress. I have certain issues where my anxieties get really, really bad. Now I can say that I can manage it at this age. I have been dealing with anxiety since I was a kid, and I don't mind sharing this because it's an issue now. You know, for people, it's an issue, and it's difficult to process it sometimes. And that's why I want to do educational stuff, because what I have learned, I want to fucking share. Then again, I also want to have fun. I also would like to have fun, because over the years, like for past at least 6 years, they have not been good mentally. And in a lot of ways. Now I feel like I'm in a good place mentally and I would like to be myself. When I die, bro, I don't wanna be feeling like I could never be myself. And when I meet certain people na, trust me on this, I used to sugarcoat everything. I used to people please कि okay या आप कह रहे हो तो बिल्कुल सही होगा, आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो, हाँ ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. Trust me on this, ये वाली conversation में ना I don't have any opinions. Like even though I have opinions, I can't say it because मैं उसकी हाँ में हाँ मिला रहा हूँ basically. I'm people pleasing at this point. If I'm having a conversation with someone and I want that person to like me, right? I'll start to people please. मैं उसकी तारीफ करने लग जाऊंगा, मैं ये करना, even though मैं उसके points से agree नहीं करता, but मैं agree करने लग जाऊंगा. Bro, I don't wanna be that person. I have been that person. And I would encourage you guys also, if you're watching this, that bro, what's the point? Trust me on this. जब मैं अपने नेबर्स के साथ हैंग आउट कर रहा था ना यहाँ पर, समटाइम्स आई फेल्ट लाइक ओके ज़्यादा हो गया, ओ यार वो क्रिंज था, यार मेरे को ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, या मेरे को ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था, आई शुड हैव अग्रीड टू दैट. थिंग्स स्टार्टेड टू कम अप एंड I was genuinely not hurting their intentions, but I was being myself. If I did not agree, I did not agree. If I was looking like a cringe, if I was laughing too loud, I don't know, whatever I was doing, I accepted it. I thought about it that, okay, yeah, I shouldn't have done it, but then I accepted it. I did not beat myself up for it, and I'm so fucking proud to say that. I genuinely believe that इससे बड़ा gift आप अपने आप को नहीं दे सकते. To be yourself. And that's what I want to preach on this channel. That's why, you know, I feel like it's very important for me to sometimes show my emotions. Even if I'm vulnerable, I'm excited, I'm crazy, I'm cringe, I'm whatever. I think I am at this point where I'm okay with people seeing that. Then I think they might just get the courage to do it themselves and not hide their selves when they are in a group or in front of friends or whatever, so that they can be themselves. I think that's the example I want to set for sure through these videos. That's why I believe that education, sit down content that I'm doing and this vlogs that I'm doing, I feel like this is very important for me. And I would really appreciate if you guys would let me know in the comment section ki yaar, either you want education content or you want both. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be doing both for some time at least. I don't know. I want to do both. I know कि मेरे इतने subscribers नहीं है कि मुझे ये question पूछना चाहिए. But then again, bro, I felt like sharing this and I don't want to stop myself from doing it because I have been beating myself up for it, for sure. For at least for past 2-3 days, it's been on my mind, and I feel like YouTube is the only option that I've got to share some things that I want to share. I genuinely want to know that what do you guys think. I would like to make anything. I just don't want to overthink about it. That's what I don't want to do. ये काफ़ी लंबी वीडियो हो गई है, तो अगर आप आखिर तक बने हो तो थैंक यू सो मच. डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन यार कि क्या करना चाहिए मुझे. बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो अभी तक, तो एक मेरा और गोल है जो आप प्लीज़ सुन के जाओ कि बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर आई वांट टू रीच 5,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स. आई एम बिटवीन 24-2500 राइट नाउ. आई वुड लव टू रीच 5,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर. सो या गाइस, अगर आपको वीडियोस पसंद आ रही है तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करो. लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. ठीक है, आई सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वन. Peace!